Welcome to my channel. This video is about various examples of home decor ideas that can inspire you and make your room look beautiful. Lots around our house there is waste from wood which becomes garbage. Here I provide some pictures that can be an inspiration for making beautiful home decorations from wood waste. Apart from using wall hangings, many people add knickknacks such as miniature statues to decorate their homes. This miniature statue is placed in the corners of the house or even just placed on the table as a sweetener. Not infrequently, kitchens and bathrooms are not spared from being decorated. So, if you are interested in decorating your home using miniature statues, here are some recommendations for miniature statues that you can choose as your home decoration. Guaranteed, the house won't look monotonous after you add these miniature statues. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe and share so that our channel can grow quickly. Thank you.